I'm Jasmine Barmore in Southfield. As tax season heats up with the filing deadline less than 30 days away, so do tax scams. The IRS warns those filing taxes about red flags to look out for that could signal fraud. I spoke to an expert in the tax industry breaking down those warning signs and how to avoid being a target.
Apply for an identity protection PIN.
Jarrell Major is a certified public accountant. He is giving one tip on how to not fall victim of a tax scam.
That PIN number, you will get a different PIN every filing season with a code. So even if someone did try to use your social security number or your dependent social security number, it would not go through without that second, basically like a two-factor authorization code.
Major says identity theft is one area of fraudulent tax activity, and that PIN number can help protect you or your dependents. He has been a CPA for 7 years. He was also a professional tax preparer for over a decade with a registered preparer tax identification number.
So a ghost tax preparer is someone who does not sign your return as your paid preparer.
According to the IRS, these preparers are ones to be wary of.
They just use TurboTax or use different third-party softwares, but they're not signing as a paid preparer with that PIN number. It looks as if the taxpayer themselves prepared that return on their own and submitted it.
The IRS says that they require all tax preparers to sign tax returns, and not doing so may signal fraud. Major says one way to avoid getting scammed by a ghost preparer is having a consistent taxpayer.
You don't want to just bounce around from tax preparer to tax preparer, because obviously the more people who have access to your information, that significantly increases the chances that you would be a victim.
Tony Dorsey says he never has been a victim of tax scam.
That's why I get mine done. I don't go to just know anybody because it's frauds everywhere.
I would always encourage taxpayers to do a little due diligence.
The deadline to file taxes is April 15th. If you don't have someone to file your taxes, make sure you find someone reputable that has that special ID number. In Southfield, I'm Jasmine Barmore, 7 News Detroit.